Hi friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel English is here and I hope you people are doing great and learn this language gratefully. And in this video, I am going to talking about while learning this language, what kind of problem people face in their journey. So without further delay, let's start the video. So first problem is people not consistent their English journey. If we not consistent in our English journey, so how we can fluent in 1 month, 2 month, or 6 month? Okay, if you have lots of time, so if you only focus on this journey and your goal is only learn this language, so whatever you learn and whenever you learn, it depends on you. But if you are someone and you really want this language and learn this language as soon as possible, so be consistent with this journey, English journey. Okay? If you break your consistency and if you know do practice every day, so what happened with us? We think when you speak English 2 month, 3 month practice, you can do practice 1 month, 2 month. Then your break consistency like 9 day, 10 days. So you feel demotivated. You think that I'm not learn anything in this language. Whatever time you give in this language, but you think that I'm not learn anything. So if you really want to learn this language, so be consistent with this language. Okay. And second thing is confident. What happened with us when we are beginner? So we not speak in front of people. We think that when we speak in front of people, so what people think? People laugh at us. We think like this. But what your goal? Your goal is learn this language and fluent in this language. So why are you think all kind of this? If you are fluent as soon as possible, you can build your confidence. And how come confident in this journey? You are doing practice every day. You can do practice. You can speak native speaker with native speaker. You can download application and you speak with them. If you speak with them, so your confidence slowly grown up. And when you speak with them, so they if you do mistake, so they can correct you. We are speak in suppose you have no English environment and you speak in front of people, so they not correct you because they not know English. Whatever you speak in front of them, they are not correct you. But if you speak someone who knows English, so they can correct you and you find your mistake where you do mistake. So you can speak native speaker. व्हाट हैपन फ्रेंड, जब अपन नेटिव स्पीकर से बात करते हैं तो अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड होता है. वी बिल्ड आवर कॉन्फिडेंस. If we not speak and only we learn this language, so we are not doing anything and only we listening. English stuck in our mind. If we listening, so English stuck our mind. But uh, when we speak, so we not able to speak because we are not doing practice and uh, our mouth is not habitual to speak this language. You see that who someone is beginner and then he is speak English, so he can stuck. He is not speak correct word. In my case also, when I'm speak this language, so when I'm pronouncing one word, so I'm stuck. I'm not speak clearly because my mouth is not habitual to speak this word. So what we do, we can practice them. We can practice every day and think in English. If we think in English as much as you can, when you speak, so your mouth practice you can do. Okay, friends. So this is the end. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till the end, bye bye. Take care.